Yeah. Right now, me want to talk about Jamaica, the election we are going on in US. How does Jamaican vote? It amazes me how Jamaican people, we talk about we value this, we value that, but then we vote against everything what we stand for. So many questions me ask, and me ask a question, and people looking at my face dead silent. Or even pass on simple moral things people can't answer. And I say, what have we become as a people? So, who most Jamaican are vote for? I think most Jamaican are going to vote for Kamala Harris. Lying Kamala. That's who I think they're going to vote for. Yeah. I will love claim Jamaican. We love claim everything. That is an topic in itself. Oh, everything you see on the internet and it comments them. Oh, a Jamaican this, a Jamaican that. So my most, what am I answer now? The badness we have to claim me. We want to claim me bodies. Why? Most negative stuff we want to claim. So most of we coming just like Cardi B, confused. 1 minute and a half vote, next minute you have vote. Can't make a speech, don't stand for anything. Right? Jamaicans are one of the number one set of people who say, boy, me bun, but him on me bun this and me bun that. But we are go for, you go for what? The party we push at the most is which one? You guys tell me who push rainbow the most in America. Jamaica have the most churches per square mile, I believe. That's the saying. I don't know how true it is. Right? They're supposed to be religious. But who fight religion the most? And which party is more religious? You know what I mean? So when you gotta pick a side, it's like most of us suffer from what that word be with everybody that threw around the last few years. Cognitive dissonance. So yeah. As a matter of fact, me I gotta start pull up the words when me a chat so at least if you know agree with me I say your feelings get hurt. You at least learn something. You know, me I chat on the mic I me feel like me have a duty after limited experience to at least break things down or give a different perspective, objectively. Yes. It's like you have to talk to Jamaica nowadays, both in person. And jumping up on this YouTube, I don't want no fans either, kind of fan are not gonna like me. I mean, I gonna say what I want here. I rub on the wrong way, like me do in people, no in person. So, can't just imagine the internet. So, no fans. Take a page from my nigga Star. What they say?
Her mother is an Indian, right? Her father is Jamaican. So she can't just turn black. She has it
Indian.
within her.
You know why she was placed there, by the way? Indian. Richest group, richest group of people in America. When I can see this, Asian household overall had more wealth than other household 2 years since the start of the pandemic. Asian Americans household had a medium net worth of 320,900 compared with 250,400 for a white household. So you motherfuckers understand that Asian American, they're the richest set of people in America, not white people. At least you learn something if you just click on everything here. Hence,
It's time for lefties losing it.
Within her, this is Kamala Harris, and this is
so I'm not gonna run with the black narrative. I don't know. Didn't they say she claims that she not black on Rogan show recently? I don't even wait for you answer for nothing. I just love jump on every little bandwagon. Wanna hear. But this is one short video. I'm not going on pour up a bag of details. When you don't the election, you may make a life more to try see what's going on and break down your news and see what's going on, you know?
Now it's time.
Yeah, but do you understand the appeal? Or who they want to appeal to? It's not you and the girls. We are shoot up on one another on the island. No, sir. This is American capitalism. Money. You have to appeal to the richest of the people in America. Don't be a dummy. Yep. When you talk about the rainbow, who burn rainbow the most? Who push rainbow the most? So you want rainbow, you don't want rainbow. That's why I say it's a confused set of people. On a gas hype. You say on a gas and he alone in America where I holler about grocery bill and gas high. And they love a stimulus check them, right? When they sit down, get more money down, when they never get to sit down and have to go to work. So that's why you get inflation. A lot of Negroes with money. They start spending everywhere. Companies not product for sell. So instead of keep running out, then they jack up the price. So everybody start jack up the price. Because not too much money I spend. I want to spend half the money, price still high. And they can't afford the same thing on that afford a month ago, 6 months ago. So everything get drained down. You know, start talking about bad mind and grudge. You know. And this is how it goes. Yes, I. And the late night and election eve, talking about Caribbean and Jamaican people. Let's see where the stupid girl Cardi B is. Mr. Strong showing almost on a Jamaican thing, you know. If I want to wait on the immigration paper, and I said, boy, papers them a take long, you know, me there wait out more months. Boy, no. And they don't panic bandwagon. Yeah, people have to come through the border, man. But when the immigration system clog up with millions that come across the border, you can't get fair thing. How you explain that? Like, that, you know, makes sense to me. Like, enough my sound just need to shut the fuck up. If I never want to take a job, I never take you know, fake this and fake that when you remember pandemic time. When I couldn't live in a house. But we have another house. Yeah. Yeah, them me go for man, yeah man. Feel black woman, man. I saw some grown man Although them say their wife run their yard, so they hear them a cheer for a woman who can't even hold a conversation for an hour. Sad. These are the same set of man who has a brag for a woman career. Yeah, mommy, I want a nurse, girl, you know. That I hide what they look for. The man share up money and worry about a woman's salary. Big old waste, man. You always worry about a woman's salary. You ever hear such shit? Listen,
no fucking presidents no more. Because we could fund two wars. Motherfuckers talking about we don't got it, but we got it. Like, we're the greatest nation. No, the fuck we're not. We're going through some shit right now. Like, say it.
forget where war. No, with some of the money that come to Jamaica, we go cross on the war. Whenever you hear a woman we claim say Jamaica, and I say, hey, when we get in there, you know, I bless you know. Yeah, I send some food we don't go Jamaica there. I help on to clear out some of my debt. Then I reel up and jump. No buffoonery. You're in the phone, eh?
Really are fucked right now.
This is what cognitive dissonance is. You're going to hear the second part. Cognitive dissonance is the first part.
Yeah, I got the money to support two bitches, but you really don't. Y'all talk about y'all don't fucking...
Yeah, if I want to go to a club, go fuck, fake pose, pop bottles, and money broke. Tell a girl about no one this and one that. When they start asking for money for the ears and nails and BBL. You know, I dodge and lie.
Negotiation with the odds, but y'all need to sit the fuck down with these people and find agreement. No, we cannot fuck
Or it's in the beginning. Yeah.
these fucking wars. We can't. Keep it a beam. We can't.
Keep it a beam, my nigga.
This is fucking crazy. And then you know what? I told myself this week, like, yo, the internet right now is too dark because celebrity drama, of course, we love it. We infuse with it. We watch.
Yeah, bitch, and you live off of it, and so you eat off of it.
But it's like, yo, that's little of what's really going on in the world right now. That's nothing compared to what's going on in the world right now. The world is in fucking shambles.
Oh yeah, you think? Here it is.
Trump says. One second.
Oh, this is when the teleprompter broke and you can't read. You don't know what to say. Can't find a better video. Just get a ratchet.
I do not take lightly the call to show up, the call to speak up, the call to deliver a message that's been on my heart for a hot minute now. Now, I took my time writing this speech, so I'm going to make sure I deliver it right. Because I got something I've been wanting to say for a long time. I've been saying it on...
You know what, I play it on the YouTube. RDB. Kamala. Watch this.
What's up, Milwaukee? How you guys doing? I'm nervous. I'm excited. What's up, y'all? One second, guys. 1 second.
I know what to say.
Okay, so I don't take lightly the call. Sorry, guys, I'm a little nervous. I'm a little nervous, guys. I've been waiting for this moment this whole life, my whole life. I need patience over here. Patience, where are you, girl? And I'm gonna be real with y'all. Let me tell y'all something. Women have to work 10 times harder, perform 10 times better, and still people question us how we got to the top.
Delusional.
Thank you for having me. I do not take lightly the call to show up, the call to speak up, the call to deliver a message that's been on my heart for a hot minute now. Let me tell you something.
But anyway, me just want to say so most of the Jamaican confused. And I don't know what I want. What I want support and understand pan now. And that's say you can't learn and evolve and grow, but you flip on a flop based on what is cool at the moment. Or in the environment, the sad as a people. Most of the news control and all the memes and the little stupid note they want to pass around. Project 2025. What's in Project 2025? Oh, I'm not sure, you know. My sister that tell me, oh, my brother that tell me, oh, I see something on the internet. Yeah, but what in there? Oh, I don't know. So what you talking about? Yo, sick set of people. Or maybe something wrong with me. Yeah, but whatever. So hard to find motivation. So much we talk about. So much topic. Want to talk about them rob you when you build a house in Jamaica. Want to do a video on those. Waste man behavior. You woman them when raise them, you they were going with all that madness. Crime or fix crime in Jamaica. Or we now see technology get implemented, you know. Drones, high tech cameras. Like come on, the country not supposed to look so. Not them a modern time. Just half of how as a human being should evolve. Grown ass man that's a kid each other can't have conversation, can't work out in differences. Have no respect for each other. Got two real men to get into it. So every time somebody dead there between showing some bitch ass behavior. Two bitch ass men. Probably raised by a bitch. Yeah. So what I say? For them artists say I lie to one another, they don't longer drain on mind just clog up with toxicity. I don't know gossip and carrying news and I can't think straight about on life. Confused. But anyway, I'm out. Stay tuned.